COOAU D30S 4K dash cam with GPS Wi-Fi. COOAU D30S 4K dash cam with GPS Wi-Fi. Front and inside dual 2.5K 1080p Uber car camera with infrared night vision. Super capacitor, 4 IR LEDs, G-sensor, parking mode, loop recording. Built-in Wi-Fi for effortless use, no subscription fee and data required. Through Wi-Fi wirelessly connecting the dash camera to your iPhone or Android smartphone in customized app COOAU dash, instantly do all the settings. Check download the videos that to be easily shared to others. Galphi 3 channel Wi-Fi dash, cam front and rear inside, 5K blends, people or Asceno 8OP car dash, camera for cars, front and rear, dash cam with G-sensor, loop recording, 24H parking mode, SD card not included, low profile car camera dash, cam front and rear inside. The sleek hidden design of the M5 dash camera ensures an unobstructed driving view without altering your car's interior. Stay informed with unique voice notifications that update you on the dash cam status without distractions. Supports up to 512 GB. Expandable storage supports up to a massive 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed for extended recording time and peace of mind. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam, triple STARVIS 2 dash camera for cars, 4K slam, 8OP plus 5K front and rear. Inside HDR IR night vision, 24/7 buffered parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, support 1 TB, RC18. Electronics car and vehicle electronics. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K mini dash, cam front, STARVIS 2, plate pix HDR, night vision car, camera, built-in 5G Wi-Fi GPS, 1.50 or IPS screen, voice control, 24/7 buffered parking mode, support 1 TB max, electronics, car and vehicle electronics. Vantrue N5S 4, channel 360 degree, 2.7K dash cam, 4CH STARVIS 2 night vision, 2.7K 12 suendo 80p up, 440p front rear inside, dash cam, 24/7 buffered parking mode, Wi-Fi, voice control, dual GPS, support 1 TB max, electronics car and vehicle electronics, IIWEY N5 4 channel dash cam 360 degree view, 1080p front and rear. Inside on your left right, dash camera for cars, 8 IR lamps, night vision, 5G Wi-Fi and APP control, G-sensor, parking mode with a free 128 GB SD card, G-sensor. The N5 features a smart mode while driving. When detecting a sudden impact, the dash cam will automatically start emergency recording. The video will be saved and locked in the emergency video category and won't be overwritten by loop recording, ensuring the evidence won't be deleted. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dash cam front and inside, 5G Wi-Fi dual, dash camera for car with HDR IR night vision, STARVIS 2, GPS 2.5K 60 FPS, G-sensor, 24/7 parking mode, voice control, support 512 GB max, electronics, car and vehicle electronics. COOAU dual dash cam 2.5K 80p, dash cam front and inside. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, dash camera for cars, perfect for Uber and taxi drivers, night vision, accident record, 24-hour parking mode. Built-in GPS. This dual dash cam comes with built-in GPS, eliminating the need for additional devices. You can view your driving speed in kmh or mph, and the video will save your driving route, speed, and location to provide important evidence in case of an accident. Exceptional customer service, COOAU dash. CAM offers professional and efficient customer service, including prompt email replies, Wi-Fi in 24 hours, worry-free returns, Wi-Fi 30 days, 2-year warranty, and lifetime technical support. Dash cam front and rear, 1080p dash camera for cars, 3-channel car, camera front rear and inside with 32 GB card, loop recording, night vision, HDR, 24HR parking, G-sensor, triple dash cam. This 3-channel dash camera features with a 170 wide-angle front camera plus 150 degree Aben, plus 150D waterproof rear camera, reduce visual blind areas. The screen made by IPS panel. It allows you to see a clear picture at any angle without any blurring. G-sensor and parking monitor. SUVCON dash and camera for cars built-in G-sensor, which will activate emergency recording and lock the recorded videos when it detects sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary. ROVE R2 4K dual dash, cam front and rear, STARVIS 2 sensor, free 128GB card, included 5G Wi-Fi, up to 20 BRL as fastest download, speed with app, 4K 2160p FHD dash, camera for cars, 3 IPS, 24H parking mode, electronics car and vehicle electronics. Check the links in the description to find the best deal. Thanks for watching.